All right, what's up, guys? Another episode of Tint Meters. So this right here is a dual solar and UV meter. The nice thing is it's got this little red button here. And what the red button does is it just switches it from either UV or total solar energy. The way that this particular meter works is you press it once and it's going to get a baseline reading of, say, 100%. Once you've identified with one of your meters, say the Glass Check Elite, that's our primary. Once you've identified that that glass, say, is clear and you want to give the customer an accurate description of how much energy it's going to reject or how much UV it's going to block out. This is just saying low right now. You take a baseline, stick it on a window where there's direct sunlight, and you take a baseline, and then you can put your film directly in front of it, and it's going to tell you how much total solar energy is being rejected, as well as how much total UV is being rejected. This is a great sales tool. It's also a great tool to identify UV blockage and the accuracy of the film that you were sold on. So, great meter. I would highly recommend this meter over just a singular UV meter or a singular solar control meter. This one is a go-to and a must-have. I think they range anywhere between $200 and $400 online, but look around, you can certainly find deals on these guys. So I'll put the post below. I'll also put the post for EDTM's Glass Check Elite, as well as the glass strength detector. You can watch those videos down below if you want more information on those particular meters and also where to find this particular guy. So if you're interested in the window film industry, glazing industry, and are looking to be more concise with the products that you're offering and really to identify the type of glass units that are out there and to give your customers the best overall recommendation, I highly recommend that you check out some of our videos below, as well as check out this particular meter. So thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.